In this lecture, we're gonna look at a tool, Check Active Document. With this tool, we can evaluate two different standards. So we can see if our assembly or part or drawing fits to the standard. So let's go to Evaluate, and we have here Check Active Document, and we can choose two standards to compare. We go with these two and check document. And now here are a bunch of errors that are not fitting to standard, so we can click OK. And we can choose here checked by. Let's choose NC. And now we have here some things that are not fitting the standards. Usually those are some small errors that don't fit the standard. So as you see, we have here something actual value, preferred value, and if you want that everything will fit the standard, you can just click here auto correct all. And now you're sure that in all your document everything is according to the standard. And this is really useful tool that can save your time, and SOLIDWORKS pretty much does the job for you.